little viewers, today we will study shapes. You are ready? Great! Circle. Circle. Great! Let's put it in the trunk. No, that's not true. Think again. Yes, right? Let's find out what objects are round. Watch. Watermelon. Earth. That's right. It's all round. You're great. Rectangle. 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 Great! You are doing great. Let's find out which objects are rectangular. Book. Wardrobe. Chocolate. That's right. All these objects are rectangular. Well done. Square. 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 No, that's not true. Yes, you're doing great. Let's find out what objects are square. Cubes. Pillow. Picture. That's right. All these objects are square. Well done. Triangle. 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 No, that's not right. Think again. Great. You're just a genius! Let's find out which objects are triangular. Road sign. Pizza. Cheese. That's right! All these objects are triangular. Well done! Star. 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 Great! Let's find out which objects are shaped like a star. A star from the sky. Starfish. That's right. All these objects are shaped like a star. Well done. You did great! Now you know what the figures are called and look like. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.